Welcome back, lovely viewers. Today we have something extraordinary in store for you. Are you tired of not getting the respect you deserve? Well, fret no more because we have the ultimate solution that will make everyone respect you. In this video, we will unveil the secrets that will transform your life and have people in awe of your awesomeness. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and imagine having everyone respect you, admire you, and look up to you. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, my friend, today is your lucky day because we're about to share the game-changing secrets that will make it a reality. Habit number 1. Confidence is key. The first ingredient in the recipe for earning respect is confidence. But not just any confidence. We're talking about the kind of confidence that radiates from your every pore. We'll show you how to boost your self-esteem, conquer self-doubt, and become the embodiment of confidence. Get ready to own every room you enter. Habit number 2. Mastering communication. Respect isn't just about how you carry yourself, it's also about how you communicate with others. We'll teach you the art of persuasive speech, active listening, and body language. Say goodbye to awkward conversations and hello to captivating interactions that leave a lasting impression. But wait, there's more. Did you know that mastering the art of communication can also make you irresistible in romantic relationships? Stick around because we'll reveal the secrets to becoming a smooth-talking charmer that no one can resist. Habit number 3. Honing your skills. The next step on your journey to earning respect is to become a master in your field. Whether it's your career, hobbies, or passions, we'll show you how to level up and become an expert. People will flock to you for advice, guidance, and inspiration. Prepare to be a beacon of knowledge and skill. Respect isn't just about being respected. It's also about respecting others. We'll guide you on a journey to build authentic and meaningful relationships. From fostering trust to showing empathy, we'll equip you with the tools to create connections that stand the test of time. Plus, we'll spill the tea on how to handle toxic people in difficult situations. Say goodbye to drama and hello to a life filled with positivity and respect. Habit number 5. The power of dress. The power of dress, my friends. It's time to confess. The clothes we wear, they speak volumes, revealing our essence, our dreams, and our hues. Dress to impress, they say, and I couldn't agree more. For when you step into the world, let your style soar. But here's a twist, a secret worth knowing. Your attire not only shapes your outer showing, but resonates within, igniting your fire. Dress with intention. Let your spirit inspire. Habit number 6. Cultivating inner strength. Respect isn't merely a facade, my dear. It starts from within, crystal clear. Cultivating inner strength is the key, unlocking the power that sets you free. Through meditation, reflection, and self-care, you'll nurture a spirit that's beyond compare. Habit number 7. Embracing individuality. In a world of conformity and clones, dare to embrace what sets you apart. Celebrate your quirks, your passions, your very own art. Respect is earned by being true to yourself, shining brightly rather than hiding on a shelf. So tell me, dear viewers, are you ready to ignite the flame? To step into your greatness and leave your mark on this game? Prepare to be respected, admired, and adored as you embrace the power that lies within your core. Habit number 8. Spreading kindness. Respect is not a one-way street, my friends. It's a circle of compassion that never ends. By spreading kindness, love, and understanding, we create a world that's truly outstanding. Lift others up, lend a helping hand, for respect is built upon a foundation so grand. Habit number 9. Embodying gratitude. Gratitude, what a beautiful virtue. It breathes life into our days, making everything feel new. Embody gratitude, my dear audience, each and every day, for it opens hearts, lighting up life's pathway. Can you imagine a world where gratitude reigns, where respect blooms in hearts, erasing all pains? It starts with you, my friend, with each grateful breath creating a ripple effect, conquering death. Habit number 10. Embracing growth. We've journeyed through topics aplenty, each one a gift, shining ever so gently. But now, my dear viewers, it's time to unveil the final piece, the pinnacle of respect, the ultimate release. Embrace growth, embrace change, for that's where respect truly takes range. So, my friends, as we reach the end of our tale, remember this: respect is not a mere trail. It's a lifelong journey, a dance of grace rooted in authenticity, leaving no trace. Embrace the secrets we've shared today and watch as respect lights up your way. Thank you for joining us on this quest. Until next time, may respect and love be your eternal crest. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.